everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you what's going to happen on the river from the 14th to the 18th of February 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe finds herself conflicted over a business proposition while Maboto struggled to come to terms with his fate on Tuesday. The Mokwenas might have to find a friend while Lindiwe has found herself an interesting friend on Wednesday. Overworked and overwhelmed, Maboto is feeling frustrated by his finances while Cobra wraps his wealth in. On Thursday, Lindiwe and her new friend continue to grow closer while Zweli struggles with his new reality, and Maboto just can't seem to catch a break on Friday. Zweli is at a crossroad both at work and at home. Maboto is looking for a leg up, but is he heading straight for his downfall? Guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.